My primary goal is to be an exemplary and leading nation in all aspects, and I will work with you in achieving this endeavor. King Salman, the custodian of the two holy mosques. As a direct product of Vision 2030 of the Kingdom and the GCC countries, 10 strategic shareholders representing the key players of the energy sector in the Kingdom and the GCC region decided to establish the GCC Electrical Testing Laboratories to become the area's market leader in testing, inspection, and certification.
The company will play a strategic role in this regard and set the standard for efficiency and quality, supporting the research and development, training of young Saudi, transfer the knowledge to Saudi Arabia, enhancing the industries in Saudi Arabia.
Based in KSA, the GCC Lab will contribute fundamentally to the achievement of the strategic visions of the GCC region in localizing manufacturing, building knowledge-based economy, supporting research and development, enhancing energy efficiency, and promoting renewable energy alternatives in line with the climatic conditions of the GCC countries.
We aligned our strategy and business portfolio with the parallel pathways and strategic initiatives announced and promoted by the Ministry of Energy, which focus on both the conventional and renewable energy resources.
The GCC Lab has developed its capabilities across 6 market business areas to bring sophisticated and unique capabilities to the region. Number 1, Power and Industrial Testing Laboratories. Number 2, Renewables and Smart Grid Testing Laboratories. Number 3, Training and Consultation. Number 4, Calibration and Inspection. Number 5, R&D Services. Number 6, Safety and Efficiency. All legal requirements were secured to establish the company structure. The holding company model was selected to facilitate business growth and diversified investment capabilities of the GCC Lab company with high agility to create multiple JV partnerships that suit each business specialty in order to maintain competitive advantage and operational excellence. As an enabler to provide world-class service centers in the Kingdom to serve all MENA region, the GCC Lab established successful joint venture partnership agreement with top-tier industrial laboratories from USA and Italy. In the power industry, the GCC Lab established a JV partnership agreement with Chasey, a world leader company in power equipment testing and certification. The JV agreement is exclusive, covering the MENA and Turkey regions to establish a world-class power lab that covers the following areas: testing and certifications of power equipment, engineering consultations, asset management services, environmental studies, incident investigations, research and development, specialized training. In the areas of renewable energy, smart grids, and safety, the GCC Lab established another JV agreement with UL, a world-leading laboratory, to build and operate a renewable and smart grid lab and perform safety and efficiency testing and certifications. An exclusive agreement covering the MENA region to establish a world-class renewable and smart grid lab that covers the following areas: testing and certifications of renewable and power electronics, engineering consultations, solar and wind bankability studies, certifications of PV installers, research and development, LV testing and efficiency, heat and fire testing for electric devices, and arc flash suits. The GCC Lab was successful in building its capabilities to provide calibration services to the highest standards. The GCC Lab signed a contract to provide calibration and power equipment testing services to Saudi Aramco and Saudi Electricity Company and is working to serve other users. The GCC Lab focuses also on building local talents. Based on that, the company provided training courses and tutorials in collaboration with the Saudi Council of Engineers, IEEE, and SIGRE that covers the following technical topics: arc flash mitigation and safety, electrical equipment testing, safety procedures for PV plants O&M, test equipment calibration, The GCC Lab is committed to respond to the market needs as deemed feasible for a better energy future, as a strategic enabler to the Kingdom 2030 vision and the visions of the GCC countries. Together, with the help of Allah, we can strengthen the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia's position as a great nation in which we should all feel an immense pride. Mohammed bin Salman bin Abdulaziz Al Saud.